Class 10 CBSE Statistics 14 chapter. Today we are going to do mean in 3 methods. We will take a problem and solve it in all the 3 methods and check whether we are getting same answer in all the 3 methods or not. This is the problem. Data given is daily wages in rupees and number of workers. The data says that 12 people are getting a daily wages of 100 to 120, daily salary of 100 to 120. There are 12 workers who are getting 120 to 140 rupees. There are 14 workers who are getting this amount. Okay, this is all about the data. Let's rewrite the data and solve the problem. First method is direct method. First of all, let us find sigma fi, sum of all frequencies. Can any one of you add and tell me the total? I think it is 50. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now find mid values. Mid values are denoted by xi. Mid value of 100 and 120 is 110. In the middle you will have exactly in the middle you will have 110. In this way you can take the mid value, or else you can do lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. That means 100 plus 120 by 2. 100 plus 120 is 220 by 2. 220 by 2 is 110. Anyhow you will get 110. Okay. After getting one mid value, now you can add the size of the class. What is the size of the class? By subtracting two consecutive lower limits, you will get size of the class. 180 minus 160 is 20. Size of the class is 20. So by adding size of the class, you will get next mid value, that is 110 plus 20, 130. 130 is the next mid value. You can check. 130 is in between 120 and 130, 140, in the middle, mid value. Got it? Now again add 20. Again add this height. You will get 150. Again 150 plus 20, 170. 170 plus 20 is lastly 190. Is that okay? So we got all the mid values. Clear? Now in the direct method you have to multiply fi into xi. So start multiplying. Quickly tell me answers. 12 110s are
1320.
okay. One three twos 1320. Okay. Now next 14 130s are. Is it 1820?
Yes, sir.
Next 158s are. 176 are. 176 are 1020. This is 1900. While you are writing the product, make sure that all place like unit place value digits are in one line. Tens place digits are in one line. So try to write in order while writing these products. Understood? Now
Yes, sir.
let us find sigma fi xi. All of you please try to add all these numbers.
7 to
1820 plus 1200 plus 1020 plus 1900 is equal to 7260. Did you get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Now, mean in direct method. In direct method, mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the formula, that is 7260 by 50. 0 will cancel. 726 by 5 is nothing but divide 145.2. So this is direct method. Finally, you should write mean daily wages. Mean daily wages is equal to rupees. Unit is rupees. So don't forget to write rupees 145.2. Please write down. Now let us find mean through deviation method. Deviation method is also called assume mean method. So first of all, find the mid values. Mid values are denoted by xi. Mid value of 100 and 120 is 110. 120, 140 mid value is 130. Similarly, 150, 170, 190. After finding all mid values, find out total frequency, which is 50. Now select the middlemost number in the frequency, mid values. In these mid values, the middlemost number is A. A means assumed mean. Okay, if you have two middle values, then you can select any one of them. Okay, in case you are getting two mid values, you can select any one of them. So here in this case, we are getting one single mid value. Mid value is 150. Take it as A and now find deviation. Formula to find deviation is xi minus A. This is the formula to find deviation. Xi minus A. What is xi? Here the xi is 110. 110 minus A is 150. 110 minus 150 is equal to what? 110 minus 150 is equal to minus 40. Similarly, here xi is 130, A is 150, so minus 20. Here xi is 150, A is also 150, 0. Xi 170, Xi is 170, A is 150, 20. Xi is 190, A is 150, 40. Always remember di will be multiples of h. See, if h is 20, if you subtract these two, you will get size of the class, and your di will be multiple of h. H is 20, that's why 21s are 22s are 21s are 22s are multiples of h. You will get di will be multiples of h. Please remember this. Now last column in assumed mean method is fi di, fi into di. So 12 40s are 12 4s are 48, and 1 0 will come, minus 480. Okay, next 14 20s are 14 2s are 28, 0 will come, minus 280. 14 20s are how much? Minus 280. 8 zeros are 0. Next 6 20s are 120. Next 10 40s are
400.
100. So you got two negative numbers, two positive numbers. Sigma means addition. So sigma fi di means adding whole column. First of all, add negative numbers and tell me what you are getting. 0 6 7, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now positive numbers, negative numbers, add and put minus. Positive numbers should be added and they will get plus sign. Add these two numbers, you will get 5,
520.
and the resultant is,
Minus 240.
yes, minus 240 is FIDI. Okay. Now let us apply the formula. Deviation method, mean is equal to A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. A is 150. Sigma fi di is minus 240. Sigma fi is 50. 0 0 cancel. Multiply plus into minus, minus 24 by 5. Divide 24 and 5.
4.8.
5 4s are 20. 5 8s are 40. So 150 minus 4.8. Let us subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 1. So your answer is 145.2. Did we get the same answer with direct method also?
Yes, sir.
Write on mean daily wages. $145.2. Unit is rupees. So whether you do direct method or deviation method or step deviation method, you will always get the same answer, provided all the additions calculations should be perfect. The last method is step deviation method. In step deviation method, initially you will be writing the data and finding sigma fi. After finding sigma fi, you will be taking all the mid values and Middlemost one will be A. After finding A, you can find deviation. Di is equal to xi minus A. Directly write down xi minus A. 1 minute. Let us find first di. Di is equal to xi minus A. So which is equal to 110 minus 150 minus 40, 130 minus 150 minus 20, 150 minus 150 0, 170 minus 150 20, 190 minus 150 40. Now after writing this, you can now write down ui. Ui is equal to di by h. Formula for ui is di by h. Ui stands for step deviation. See, di means deviation, ui means step deviation. Got it? So what is ui formula? Di by h. Minus 40 h is 20. So 0 cancel, minus 2. Minus 20 by 20 cancel, minus 1. 0 by 20 is 0. 20 by 20 is equal to 1. 40 by 20 is equal to 2. This is ui. Okay. You will always get serial numbers. Minus 2, 2 plus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Like these type of numbers you will get in any problem. Whatever may be the problem, you will always get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wherever you have taken A, जहां पर भी आप A का वैल्यू लिए वहां 0 आएगा. ऊपर नेगेटिव नंबर्स, नीचे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. समझ में आया? So after getting ui, just find out FIUI. 12 2s are minus 24. 14 minus 1s are minus 14. 8 zeros are 0. 6 1s are 6. 10 2s are 20. Sigma FIUI. Negative numbers total is minus 38. Positive numbers total is plus 26. 38, 26, 2, 1. Minus 12 is the sigma FIUI. Now let's find out step deviation. Let us apply the formula. Mean is equal to A plus sigma FIUI by sigma FI into H. A is 150. Sigma FIUI is minus 12. Fi is 50. H is 20. Minus 12 by 50 into 20. Is that okay? 0 cancel. Plus into minus is minus. 12 2s are 24 by 5. In the previous case, we did 24 by 5. 5 4s are 20, 0.0, 5 8s are 40. What is 150 minus 4.8? Is it 145.2? So again, we got the same answer. The answer is mean daily wages. Rupees 145.2. So whatever may be the method, if you do it properly, you will get the same answer.